Yo, what up, man? How's it going? It's your boy Sean. I go by Gentry. I'm an entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm hella excited about this, man. My first YouTube video. I've had a lot of people suggesting I do this over the years, and here I am. I'm finally getting it done. This channel's gonna be a lot of fun, man. I got a lot planned with this channel, from building a new podcast, building a new business. And I'm just happy to have you guys here along the way. A quick bit about myself. Again, I'm an entrepreneur. I started my first business in 2018 when I finished my MBA. Over the years, I've gotten to do a lot of special things. I've been a part of some special football teams, and I've been able to be coached by some of the best business coaches and traders around the world. What is this channel gonna be about? Like I said, a lot of different things. I want to be able to share with you guys first. I'm almost at 7 figures in sales on Amazon, and I had my first profitable trading year in 2023. I myself can see the power in YouTube and the power to be able to share my journey with others and be able to uplift someone who may be in the shoes that I was in 2018 when I first built my Amazon business. I know it's a lot of fluff going on around, and you're looking for the real thing. You're looking for the person that's going to be able to teach you, be able to help you, and just show you without all the extra fluff and all the Lambos and the watches and all those good things. And not to say I don't want those things, but that's not what business is all about. So I'm excited for this, y'all, man. Thank you for watching this video. I'm excited to go on this journey with you, this adventure, this new pathway. Leave a comment below. Let me know what content you're excited for the most. This channel's going to evolve, and I'm glad that you're going to be a part of it. I never thought I'd be saying this, but click the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know what you're enjoying. All right, I'm out of here.